Cautious. Meaning, careful to avoid potential problems or risks. Synonyms, wary, prudent, vigilant. Antonyms, reckless, careless, inattentive. Flourish. Meaning, to grow or develop in a healthy or vigorous way. Synonyms, thrive, prosper, blossom. Antonyms, wither, decline, deteriorate. Meticulous. Meaning, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Synonyms, thorough, diligent, fastidious. Antonyms, careless, negligent, inattentive. Communicative. Meaning, willing to communicate or talk, eager to convey information. Synonyms, talkative, chatty, expressive. Antonyms, reserved, silent, uncommunicative.
Why did the meticulous gardener always wear a helmet? He was cautious that the flourishing plants might try to communicate by dropping a flower pot on his head. What do you call a meticulous and communicative insect? A cautious and flourishing antenna operator.
In every aspect of life, be as cautious as you are communicative, and as meticulous as you want to flourish. Success blossoms when one is cautious in their approach, meticulous in their efforts, and communicative in their aspirations, allowing dreams to flourish in their journey. By Unknown. Success blossoms. In a world of noise, be communicative. In a world of chaos, be cautious. In a world of opportunities, let yourself flourish. By Unknown. Emma was a cautious and compassionate teacher. She believed in communicative teaching. She once met a student, Leo, who struggled academically and emotionally. With her cautious and personalized approach, Emma helped Leo flourish. Her dedication showcased the potential for growth through caring education. In the lab, Professor Chuck was meticulous and cautious while conducting an unusual experiment. With communicative gestures, he mixed chemicals, hoping to make a peculiar formula flourish. However, his approach didn't turn out to be meticulous and cautious enough. The formula generated soap foams, causing everyone to slip and trip, leaving the lab in hilarious chaos.
Big thanks, folks. Keep up the English grind. You'll get there faster than you can say meticulously cautious flourish. Smash that like button and subscribe for more, and let's turn our YouTube videos into your English playground. Have an awesome and happy day.